to Zuoma Technologies, your professional manufacturer of seamless underwear equipment. Today, we are showcasing our star machine, the visual dispensing machine. In seamless underwear manufacturing, dispensing accuracy directly affects comfort. Our machine adopts advanced CCD Vision positioning technology. Operators simply place the fabric on the working area, and the 360-degree camera instantly captures and generates the perfect glue trajectory. Look at this smooth dispensing process. The glue volume is strictly controlled, no accumulation at the starting point, and no breaks at the curves. Whether it's complex lace edges or ultra-thin fabrics, Zuoma's visual dispensing machine handles it flawlessly. By using Zuoma equipment, you significantly reduce reliance on skilled labor while doubling your production efficiency. High-quality, seamless laundry starts with top-tier equipment. Guangdong Zuoma technology makes seamless manufacturing simpler. Visit our website or contact us via the links in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cutting-edge laundry manufacturing technology.